The Forgotten Wallet, A Chain of Kindness. Ethan, a young architect, hurried down the sidewalk, stressed about a critical presentation. As he jogged across the street, his wallet slipped from his back pocket. Jaden noticed the wallet and paused. He could have kept it. His family struggled financially, but something inside urged him to do the right thing. "Sir, you dropped this," Jaden called out. Ethan turned, stunned. "I didn't even realize. Thank you." He offered Jaden money, but the boy shook his head and walked away with a shy smile. Ethan saw Jaden again. He invited him in, bought him a snack, and asked about his life. Jaden opened up about his dreams and his struggles. "If you ever need help with school or work, call me," Ethan said. Jaden stared at the card. No one had ever believed in him before. Weeks later, Jaden reached out. With Ethan's support, he joined a youth program, studied hard, and slowly started changing his life. Jaden didn't just change, he inspired others. He volunteered to help kids like him and taught them that even small kindness matters. One day, Jaden found another lost wallet. Without hesitation, he returned it with a smile. Kindness had come full circle. Sometimes, one small choice can change the entire path of a life. For two people